Are you ready to unlock the doors to financial freedom and discover the world of passive income online? In this guide, we will unveil the most effective and proven methods to make money online, allowing you to create a sustainable stream of income while enjoying the flexibility and autonomy of working from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're seeking a side hustle, a full-time online career, or a means to supplement your current income, get ready to explore the enticing opportunities that await you. Get ready to learn how to make money online passively like never before. Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to share 4 proven ways to make money online passively, whether you are a beginner looking for a way to earn, or just looking to increase your streams of income using online platforms. What is passive income? Passive income is a type of unearned income that is acquired automatically with minimal labor to earn or maintain. It is often combined with another source of income, such as a side job. This is whereby you set up or create a stream of income in the beginning, and this stream of income will continuously earn you money over time for months or years in the future. You create this income just once. So let's begin. The first one on the list would be Amazon KDP. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is one of the best online platforms where you can create passive income continuously. It is the most talked about and used platform to earn money as it is legit and reliable. It has 0 entry requirements except for your Gmail account and your mobile number for verification. It is great for authors and even for non-authors. It is well known for low-content book selling, as this is the easiest way to earn money, as low-content books are easy to make. Low-content books are like simple line books, planners, and blank drawing books. These low-content books are easy to make as you can use sites like Canva to get a template and easily make a book. If you are an author or you want to share your own knowledge, you can write a simple book, novel, or even a children's book and self-publish it. Amazon KDP is free to start, and one doesn't need the long, hectic traditional way of publishing and selling a book. Also, it's much easier now to create books, as there are AI platforms like ChatGPT and Copy.ai where you can generate any kind of book from any topic and publish it. Just like Amazon KDP, there's also Draft 2 digital self-publishing platforms where authors and writers can publish their books to different publishing sites all in one platform. The second way to earn passive income is print on demand. It is also the best and easiest way to make money online. There are so many videos on this platform on YouTube, each with proof that it works. Print on demand is where a company makes a product with your content, like a design or art on it, when it's ordered by someone, and ships the product for you. This company will handle everything for you, and you get to raise a commission from the sale of the product. The best thing about print on demand is you don't have to deal with customers, as it is done for you. There is no wastage of any product, as it is produced when the customer orders. There are different amazing free sites to start your own journey to earn money on them. The great news is most of the sites available in the market are free to start and sign up, and some require a little upfront cost to their sites. The only thing you will need to do is use free resources like Canva and Trello to design using their free templates, and then post your designs on the platforms. The best platforms and free to use are Merch by Amazon, which is owned by Amazon, Society6, Zazzle, TeePublic, Spreadshirt, and Redbubble. You will only need to create designs, place them on the site's available products, and when someone buys your design on their products, the companies get to give you a commission from the seller. Your designs will continue to earn you money passively in months, even after you create and post them on these amazing sites. The third will be digital downloads. What is a digital download? A digital download is any software, game, music, PDFs, or add-on that you can purchase and download without a physical copy. It is the process of obtaining media, software, or other digital content directly to your device, be it a computer, smartphone, or tablet. This method eliminates the need for physical copies. They are high in demand, as they are easy to access, as many individuals, companies, and organizations now are looking for faster, cheaper ways to access everyday company products. Examples of digital products include business cards, business planners, invitations, media kits, product labels, and printable wall art. There are so many digital products available in the market now to sell, so you have no reason to not take advantage of the opportunities available in the market now. As a beginner, digital downloads are easy to make. You can easily use available templates from Canva to make these digital downloads. So where then can you sell these products? You can sell these products digitally on Etsy or your own website. Etsy is the biggest, most known platform to sell digital downloads, as it has a huge marketplace. If you have a following on your social media, you can also sell them on websites like Shopify, Wix.com, and Squarespace. Each of these websites has built-in software where you can just upload your digital product and your customers will pay and download it. Another amazing way to earn passive income is through YouTube. With YouTube, you can make videos literally from any topic. From your life, pieces of advice, your opinions on anything, and even reacting to other people's videos. If you are a camera-shy person, then create faceless channels or just record your voice giving your take on things, and use stock videos from Pixabay or Pixels as your visuals on the video. These videos that you get now will continuously earn you money for months and years to come. If you also don't feel like either showing your face or using your voice, AI will do this for you. With the development of AI tools like ChatGPT, it has become much easier to make YouTube videos. Just go to ChatGPT and type in whatever you want to make videos about, and the tool will generate video ideas and scripts for those videos, and even give you a video scene on the video you want to create. Let's say you want to create a video on a popular topic being done right now on how to create a YouTube video using ChatGPT and Canva. This application will generate every detail on how one should create a YouTube channel. From the introduction to the body of the video and even an outro. It has become even easier to start a YouTube channel now than years ago. You now possess the knowledge and strategies to embark on your own path to financial prosperity. Remember, success in the online world requires consistent effort, a growth mindset, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Whether you choose to delve into print-on-demand, self-publishing, YouTube, create digital products, or explore other lucrative avenues, the opportunities are boundless and limitless. The online world is filled with different ways of making money that I haven't touched on, like freelancing and affiliate marketing, which are great ways of earning extra income. It's time to take the leap, seize the online realm, and start making money while living life on your own terms. The possibilities are endless, so go out there and make your mark on the digital world. Best of luck on your exciting online journey.